Welcome to SmartFinanceLab, your home for simple strategies to build wealth and financial confidence. If you've ever felt trapped by debt, the credit cards, the student loans, the car payments, maybe even a mortgage, you're not alone. Millions of people are fighting the same battle every single day. But here's the truth most people don't realize. Getting out of debt isn't just possible. It's predictable when you follow the right steps. In today's video, I'll walk you through 5 powerful yet simple steps that can help you manage debt smarter, pay it off faster, and finally take back control of your money. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share a quick mindset shift that completely changes how you look at debt and progress. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Know your debt. Before you can fight debt, you have to face it. And that starts with one crucial step: knowing exactly what you owe. Most people don't have a full picture of their debt. They might know they owe a lot, but not how much to whom or what interest rates they're paying. Grab a notebook, a spreadsheet, or even just your phone and list out every single debt you have. Here's what to include for each. Name of the lender, for example, Chase credit card, student loan, car loan. Total balance, interest rate, minimum monthly payment, due date. Once you have that, calculate the total debt balance, the grand number you owe across everything. It might be uncomfortable to see, but that number represents the starting line of your journey. From here, you'll know where to focus, which debts are the biggest money drains, and how to prioritize payments. If you want, you can use free tools like undaybt.it or EveryDollar to organize and track your debts visually, or a simple Google Sheet where you update balances each month. The key is clarity brings control, because what you can measure, you can manage. Step 2. Choose a repayment strategy. Now that you know what you owe, it's time to decide how you'll attack it. There are 2 main strategies that actually work: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. Option 1, the debt snowball. With the snowball method, you list your debts from smallest balance to largest. Pay minimums on all, except the smallest one. Throw every extra dollar you can at that smallest debt until it's gone. Then move to the next smallest and repeat. The magic here isn't just math, it's motivation. You get quick wins early on. You feel momentum. You see progress. And that emotional boost keeps you going. For example, if you have $500 credit card, $1,200 personal loan, $3,000 car loan, you'd attack that $500 first. Once it's gone, you free up money and confidence to move up the ladder. Option 2, the debt avalanche. With the avalanche, you list your debts by interest rate, highest to lowest. Pay minimums on all, except the one with the highest interest. Direct all extra money there first. This saves you the most money and interest over time, which makes it mathematically faster. The only downside? It might take longer to get that first win, which can be discouraging if your highest interest debt is also your largest. So which should you choose? If you're the kind of person who gets motivated by seeing results quickly, start with the snowball. If you're disciplined and prefer maximum savings, go with the avalanche. The truth? Both work as long as you stay consistent. Because debt repayment isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. The best method is the one you'll stick with. Step 3. Cut expenses and increase payments. Now, let's talk about freeing up extra cash. The faster you pay off debt, the less you'll pay in interest. So the goal is to find extra money every month. Start by identifying non-essential expenses. Here are quick wins that can save $100 to $300 a month. Cancel subscriptions you barely use, streaming, apps, gym memberships. Cook more meals at home instead of eating out. Review your phone and internet plans. Are there cheaper options? Use cashback apps or discount gift cards when shopping. Stop carrying your credit card for impulse purchases. Even small savings, say $5 here or $10 there, add up when redirected toward debt. Let's say you free up $150 per month. If you apply that extra $150 to a $2,000 credit card at 20% interest, you could pay it off almost a year faster and save hundreds in interest. And if possible, increase your income too. Take on a side hustle, freelance online, sell used items, or work overtime when available. Remember, Every dollar you earn or save is a tool for your freedom. Step 4. Consider debt consolidation or refinancing. Sometimes, juggling multiple debts with high interest can be overwhelming. In that case, debt consolidation or refinancing might help. Debt consolidation means combining multiple debts into one new loan, ideally with a lower interest rate and single monthly payment. This can make things easier to manage and potentially save you money if you qualify for a good rate. You can do this through a personal loan, a balance transfer credit card with 0% intro APR, or a debt management program. But be careful, not all offers are legit. Avoid companies that promise instant debt relief or ask for upfront fees. Always read reviews, check accreditation, and understand terms before signing anything. Refinancing, on the other hand, applies to larger loans, like car loans, student loans, or mortgages, where you replace your existing loan with one that has better terms. Used wisely, these tools can reduce stress and interest costs. But remember, consolidation doesn't erase debt, it just restructures it. You still have to make consistent payments to actually eliminate it. Step 5. Stay motivated and track progress. Here's the part most people forget: staying consistent. Debt repayment can take months or even years, depending on your situation. That's why you need to keep your energy and focus high. Here's how. Track your progress visually. Use charts, spreadsheets, or apps. Celebrate milestones. Every time you pay off a debt, reward yourself within reason. Surround yourself with positivity. Follow debt-free communities online. Remind yourself of your why. Maybe it's financial freedom. Maybe it's less stress. Maybe it's being a role model for your family. Remember, progress isn't always linear. You'll have good months and tight months. What matters is that you keep moving forward. Conclusion: getting out of debt isn't about being perfect. It's about being persistent. You don't have to have a lot of money to start. You just need a plan, a strategy, and a reason why. So today, I challenge you. Sit down, list out your debts, pick your repayment strategy, and make your first extra payment this week. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below and share your biggest debt challenge or your next money goal. Your story might inspire someone else watching. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because in our next video, we'll cover the AI side hustle gold rush. What you need to know. Thanks for watching Smart Finance Lab. And remember, you control your money, not the other way around.